Incremental ratings. Let's continue the Supermemo Course, the Pleasurable expansion. Now it's turn for the subset review. What is a subset review? Basically, it's the same when you click on Learn, but instead of your entire outstanding queue, it will be a subset of that queue. Depends on what I do. So I can open anything, let's say it's health on the control space. This opens the contents on the browser. And then I can set a subset if I want, or I can filter this. I only want, let's say, items. Okay, and now I can, not here, by the way, this will do all of the elements. I can do the subset. Click on Learn. Or, in case I have this flow, I can do right click and Learn, Control L, right away. Or, in the ancestors window, I can click, let's say, here, the concept. I can click on branch and start. Or I could do by, I don't know, by templates, my template registry, select any template and then do the subset. I open this on the browser and I set a subset. So it could be by concept or by search. So I search true or false, let's say. So now I do a subset review all of my flashcards that are true or false. Here you go. All of this is a subset. How do I know I'm on a subset review? Yes, it does in the stats window. It doesn't tell you exactly subset review, but you have the title of the browser. How many users? Users mean the elements that were on the browser, and this is the title. In this case, I search for those two characters. And then we have the count. How many items plus how many topics and how many final drill. That's all for now, and see you in the next video.